Welcome to this tutorial on arithmetic operators in PowerShell. Arithmetic operators are essential tools that allow you to perform mathematical calculations in your scripts. PowerShell supports 5 main arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. These operators work just like the math you learned in school, but they're incredibly powerful when combined with variables and scripts. Throughout this video, you'll learn how each operator works and see practical examples of how to use them in real PowerShell commands. Let's start with the addition operator, represented by the plus sign. The addition operator adds 2 or more numbers together. In the first example, 5 plus 3 equals 8. You can also use the addition operator with variables. Here, we create a variable named $a and assign it the value 10. Then we create another variable named $b with the value 20. When we add $a plus $b, PowerShell calculates the result and returns 30. Variables make your calculations flexible and reusable throughout your scripts. The subtraction operator uses the minus sign to subtract one number from another. In our first example, 15 minus 7 equals 8. Subtraction is particularly useful when working with variables. Here, we have a variable called $total set to 100 and another variable called $spent set to 35. When we subtract $spent from $total, PowerShell calculates that 65 remains. This type of calculation is common in scripts that track resources, budgets, or inventory levels. The multiplication operator is represented by the asterisk symbol and multiplies numbers together. 6 times 4 equals 24. Multiplication becomes very powerful when combined with variables. In this example, we have a $price variable set to 15 and a $quantity variable set to 8. When we multiply $price times $quantity, PowerShell returns 120. This is the kind of calculation you might use when determining total costs, scaling values, or calculating areas in your scripts. The division operator uses the / to divide one number by another. 20 divided by 4 equals 5. Unlike some programming languages, PowerShell division automatically handles decimal results. When you divide 10 by 3, PowerShell doesn't round the answer. Instead, it returns 3.33333333333333. This precision is important for accurate calculations, especially in financial or scientific scripts. PowerShell handles the decimal math automatically, so you don't need to specify that you want decimal results. The modulus operator, represented by the %, returns the remainder after division. When you divide 10 by 3, you get 3 with a remainder of 1. The modulus operator returns that remainder, 1. This operator is incredibly useful for specific tasks. In the second example, 7 modulus 2 equals 1. This tells us that 7 is an odd number. If the result had been 0, 7 would be even. You can use the modulus operator to check if numbers are even or odd, to cycle through arrays, or to determine if one number divides evenly into another. PowerShell follows the standard mathematical order of operations, also known as PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. In the first example, 5 plus 3 times 2, PowerShell performs the multiplication first. 3 times 2 equals 6, then adds 5, resulting in 11. However, you can change the order by using parentheses. When you write 5 plus 3 in parentheses times 2, PowerShell calculates what's inside the parentheses first. 5 plus 3 equals 8, then multiplies by 2, giving you 16. Always use parentheses when you need to control the order of calculations in complex expressions. Let's put everything together with a practical example, calculating a total price with tax. We start with a $price of 100 and a $quantity of 3. We also define a tax rate of 0.08, which represents 8%. First, we calculate the subtotal by multiplying $price times $quantity, which gives us 300. Then we calculate the total by adding the subtotal plus the subtotal times the tax rate. The subtotal times the tax gives us $24 in tax. Adding that to the $300 subtotal results in a final total of $324. This example demonstrates how you can combine multiple arithmetic operators with variables to solve real-world problems in your PowerShell scripts.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.